Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment, that is in week 3, Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 independent project 124. We just open that one. Okay. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 independent project 124. So from here, we will download our start file. We call that solution file. Then read is instruction. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, first we move to our whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignment. So in today assignment we have 10 questions, then 11, 12 and 13 are non-graded one. Okay, so let me start today assignment step by step. Independent project 1 to 4. We are on window. So as a staff member at Blue Lake Sporting Goods, you prepare a monthly sales worksheet. You edit and format data, complete calculation and set page print options. You also copy the sheet for next month data. Student learning outcomes 1.1 to 1.8. We will learn these SLOs in today's assignment. So file needed, this one that we have already downloaded from our link. Then after completing, the file would be this one. Okay. Skill cover in today project. Skill cover in this project. What will we cover, or what we have to get. So open and save workbook. Choose a workbook theme. Edit and format the data. Use auto sum button and fill handle. Apply alignment and font settings. Adjust columns width and row height. Insert footer. Adjust page setup. Add document properties. So all these skill will be covered in today's project. So we are just moving toward graded part. Steps to complete this project. Mark the steps as checked when you complete. So first we have to open this one, then open this file that we have downloaded from the link that we call solution file, then click on enable editing. So we just move to our downloader folder, and there is file that we have downloaded. Double click on there. Then once it opens, then we will click on enable editing. Okay, so we just click on enable editing. First part is done. Now in second part, the file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. Okay, so you may see our name is there, automatically added. So this part is also done. Now we are moving to our third part. In third part, what we have to do, apply office theme to the worksheet. So in question number 3, we have to apply office theme. So for that, we have to click on page layout, and there is theme. So in office theme, we have to apply this office theme. Question number 3 is done, in which we have to apply office theme. After solving question 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. Added worksheet data. In first part, added the title in cell A2 to display first period sales by department. So in added worksheet data, added the title in cell A2. We just move towards cell A2. There we have to add it to display this one. So we just copy this one from here, and we have to paste that here. Press enter. Then in next part, we have to add the value in D6. Where is D6? We just write there D6, press enter, and there we write 1950. Okay. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, there are two parts. In first part, we have to edit the title in cell A2 to display first period sales by department. We have added that one here. Then in next part, we have to edit the value in cell D6 to 1950. D6 to 1950, we have added this one. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, now we are moving toward question number 5. In question number 5, what we have to do, unmerge the cells and reformat the data. In question number 5, we have to unmerge the cell and reformat the data. So in first part, select the cell A1 to A2, A1 to A2. Then in next part, we have to click merge and center button. This one, merge and center button, and there we have to select unmerge the cell. Okay. So open this one. Sorry. Unmerge the cell. Then in part D, click align left button. Where is align left? No, this one. Yes. Then in part E, change font size to 16. Both lines are selected. Okay, now we have to change its font size to 16. Then in part F, set row height for row 1 to 2 to 24 points. Or right click there, row height, and we have to change 24 point. Okay, so question number 5 is done. In question number 5, we have to work on unmerge cell and reformat the data. In first part, we have to select A1 to A2. Then in part B, we have to click merge and center button arrow and choose unmerge cell. Then in part D, we have to click align left button. In part E, we have to change font size to 16. Then in part F, we have to set the row height for row 1 to 2, 24 point, and we have done, and we get this result. So question number 5 is done. After solving question number 5, now we are moving toward question number 6. Use fill handle to complete a series. Select B3. So we just select there B3. Then use fill handle to complete to April. So we just simply drag this one and to April. Okay. Then in part C, we have to autofill C to E. Where is C to E? First we have to select that one, then there is plus income, double click, so that will be automatically autofilled. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, there are 3 parts, and we have solved all 3 parts step by step. In first part, we just moved towards cell B3. Then in part B, we just use fill handle to complete the series to April in column E. Then in part C, we have to use auto fit column to C to E, and we have done that one. So after solving question number 6, we get this result. So question number 6 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 7. So before going to move toward question number 7, let me show you how many questions we have. We have just 10 questions, and we are on question number 7. Mean almost 50 to 55% is assignment is done from my side. So same way we will solve question number 7 step by step. Then we move toward question number 8, and we will solve question number 8 step by step. Then 9, 10, and in 11 we just save and close our book. In 12, upload and save your project file. In 13, submit file for grading. So in this way we will solve this assignment. So in today's video, we have done almost 55 to 60% assignment. And assignment name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 independent project 1 to 4. In start, we download required file, or we call start file or solution file. After downloading solution file, then we move toward independent project 1 to 4. Here is our instruction and SLO that we will cover. First we just read that one, then we discuss the skills covered in this project. All these skills we have covered in today's project. Then we move toward graded part, and in graded part we have done question number 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 we have 2 parts. Then question number 5, and in question number 5 we have 6 parts. Then we move to our question number 6, and in question number 6 we have 3 parts. And we have done all question number 6. Okay, same way we will solve question number 7, 8 till question number 11. So in today's video we discuss almost 55 to 60% assignment. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. You can contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in your assignment. Remember that you may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, SIMbook project, Power BI project, SQL project. So whatever you need to have regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that your marks will be 100%. And I'm going to give biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe from the scammer because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client, but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, that's the biggest opportunity that first you get the result, then you pay me. Our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. So in today's video, we discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1, independent project 1 to 4. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my site. But remember that here is also my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in every assignment that I will solve. Okay. So take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.